News just coming in. 2 Indians have been abducted in Tripoli in Libya. We're getting the latest response this time now from the Ministry of External Affairs. 2 Indians, Pravash Ranjan Samal from Odisha and Ramamurthy Kosnam from Andhra, have been abducted from Sirte. Let me quickly bring in India Today's Maha Siddiqui for more on this. Maha, who are these 2 men who've been abducted? What circumstances were they abducted in from Sirte?
Well, very sketchy details coming in at the moment. What the Ministry of External Affairs at the moment is willing to divulge is that these 2 people, they are not even using the term abducted at the moment. They are saying that they have been detained near Sirte and that they are trying to ascertain from sources as to where these 2 people could have been. No one is taking any guesses at the moment who could be behind it. But remember, this area Sirte that we're talking about is the same place about 50 kilometers from there. 4 Indians were earlier abducted in July.
Yes.
That was by ISIS, and out of which 2 came back home. However, 2 are still in the custody of ISIS. We believe that, the Ministry of External Affairs is finding very difficult at the moment in the other case to be able to ascertain details because all the sources about their whereabouts are drying up. But in this particular case, what the Ministry of External Affairs is saying is that they are trying to ascertain more details of the circumstances under which these people could have been detained, and they are trying to get them to secure their custody as soon as possible.
Let's quickly listen in to Vikas Swarup, the spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs.
2 भारतीय नागरिक, उड़ीसा के श्री प्रवाश रंजन समल और आंध्र प्रदेश के श्री राममूर्ति कोसनम, जो सिर्ते में इब्न सीना में कार्यरत थे, को कथित रूप से बंधक बना लिया गया है। त्रिपुली में हमारा मिशन घटना की पुष्टि के लिए आगे की पूछताछ कर रहा है और इस संदर्भ में स्थानीय लोगों के साथ संपर्क में है, जो दोनों भारतीय नागरिकों की रिहाई में मदद कर सकते हैं।